Dear Michael, we haven't seen each other for a long time, and I feel that the time has come to tell you something that I have never told you before. But let's start from the beginning. I was living a normal life on a small island in the Mediterranean, far from the glamour of Hollywood. But all that began to change on New Year's Eve 1983, when I was just 3 years old. My sister sat me down on the sofa to watch a music video, one that you had made. I could not have been more scared, but despite the terror, for some reason I stayed sitting there with my eyes glued to the screen, hypnotized. Like any young kid with a new obsession, I would rewind and rewatch that video over and over again,